Hey everyone, welcome to Plants and Politics. So the Trump train has left the station, guys. It just keeps chugging. Yep. Guess where the next stop is? A Texas court. Woo-hoo! So you guys may remember that lawsuits were filed against a Texas police department, also various city officials and members of the public. That was after the cops and officials failed to protect the occupants of a Biden-Harris campaign bus. This was in 2020. This is when these Trump supporters were following this bus down in Texas. So the bus and a vehicle behind the bus, which was with them, he was part of the group, he was just driving separately, but they were surrounded by Trump supporters in trucks and other vehicles. They all had their Trump flags flying. Some of them were brandishing weapons. They called this a Trump train, and these psychos tried to run the bus off the road. They also slowed traffic down to about 30 miles an hour. This was on the highway. One truck rammed into that car that was following the bus, caused quite a bit of damage to that car. And of course, some of these clout chasing stable geniuses live streamed and shared their videos of their crimes on social media, because of course they did. Meanwhile, they kept calling the police. The people on the bus kept calling the police, and the police refused to take action. And then it has since been revealed that they were laughing. They were mocking the people who were on the bus, who were scared to death and calling for help. So members of the Biden-Harris team filed lawsuits last year. They alleged that members of this Trump convoy violated the Ku Klux Klan Act. This is an old law that was put in the books in the 1800s. In essence, it outlaws the use of violence for political purposes. And then they filed a separate lawsuit against the public officials and the police department for failing to take action when these people were actually in danger. Well, now a district court judge has ruled that the lawsuit can move forward against at least the accused violent Trump choo-choo train loons. And this is going to go to a jury trial. So this is really good news. He did not strike it down. The judge clearly felt that there was a basis for this lawsuit, and now it goes to a jury. So it is Texas. So we're going to have to hold our breath. But, you know, we've seen with some of these January 6 defendants that a jury of your peers can be very fair. They can definitely set their personal feelings aside, look at the evidence, and make a righteous decision. So I'm hoping, but I will keep you guys posted. As always, thanks so much for watching and listening. Take care, and I'll talk with you soon.